Okay, once you've gone over to your actual settings here and gone to the WordPress profit system, all you need to do is fill in your PayPal email. It's nothing more than that. Use you a little authorization code there, get something like 8 digits or more. And if you're using your ClickBank, you need to put your ClickBank vendor ID in. And of course, that'd be your ClickBank secret key that would go here. Your support name that you want to use, your name or company name, whatever support email that you would like to use. You will see that in the actual emails, download page and stuff that's set up, you'll notice there's a support email on there. You can actually replace that with a link if you would like. You don't have to use an email, but it's here. Go ahead and enter it in, just whatever email that you use for support. And your download page. 120 hours is a lot of time. Totally depend, whatever you want to do, cut that in half, put it 60 hours, whatever the case, whatever you normally do. Okay, primary key. You just want to do something at least 8 digits here. And, 12 is real good. And what this does, it just helps protect the download and helps encrypt the download link. So go with something, 8 to 12 digits and you should be safe. It can be all uppercase, lowercase, but read the PDF there and make sure that you do it as it says there. And secondary key, just to back up more security for your download link. Okay, your download or your link expires in 300 seconds. What happens is when someone goes to the page, the download page, when they click on the link, if after 300 seconds, it's going to quit working. You'll have to, refresh the page, or they're going to have to go back to the page, and it will continue working for whatever time that you put here until that expires. In your download directory, WP content, of course, that is where your plugins are, your themes, your uploads, and everything else. Put you a folder in there and name it something hard to guess, but really it doesn't have to be hard to guess, but I would, because what we're going to do is need your HTXS file here. I have supplied you with one, of course, that, like I said earlier in another video there, if you was watching the intro, I have supplied this file, but it's not named correctly as it is. A lot of times on Windows systems, if they put a dot in front of this, it'll disappear and you won't be able to see it. So I have left it as is. What you'll do is you'll take this, and it may be your download folder here may be a little different now. You just have to remember that when I was building this information, there may be an extra stuff in here, but you're looking for this file in the product folder. So what we're doing is we're taking this information right here, and it'll be automatically put in there for you. I'm going to copy it. Let's go back to this folder, open this up, and should be empty. Yours should be empty. If it's not empty, replace everything in there with yours just like it is, okay? Make sure it's the same and save it. And what you'll do is you will upload this to the directory that you have specified right here in your WP content. Once you upload it there, you'll use something like FileZilla. It's in the PDF there. Use something like FileZilla and rename it. Right click on it, or click on it, right click on it, and do rename and put a dot in front of this. So it will be .htaccess. Right? And that will protect, that'll give you some good security in your download directory. I highly suggest you do that. Okay, you've got that done. Make sure you save your products. Okay, very simple here. Put you a little description of what your product is. Best product I ever sold, whatever the case may be. Put your product ID. That can be something like your product, your underscore product. I would hang with just underscores, okay? PayPal or ClickBank, eJunkie. Okay, affiliate is an affiliate if you're promoting an affiliate product. That's really all there is to that. So we'll get into that in the PDF a little bit. So put your product number here. Be like something like 001 or 01, whatever the case may be. It helps keep track of things at PayPal and actually on the system here. Try to keep it with no spaces. You're going to end up with problems if you try to use spaces. Keep it all together. Whatever the name of your product is, your sales page, okay? Now this seems a little tricky for some people, but it's actually very simple. What we do is we build a page, a sales page, and a thank you page and a download page. And the information is in the folder already. You'll actually be using, tell you what, I'm jumping ahead of myself here. Let's go ahead and show you the sales page. give you an example of what to put in here on your sales page. I'm on my WordPress system here. I'm over at pages. Of course, you need to build your sales page first. I mean, that goes without saying. And then whatever you name it, okay? If you named it ClickBank Cookie Stuffer, whatever the name of this page is, goes right here. Okay, that is your sales page, just like so. And the same way with thank you page. You know, if you've got pages here, that's the test system. So I got a thank you page. Thank you for your order. Okay, and thank you for your order is really nothing more than a return page from PayPal or wherever, and then they click to go to the download page. And there's some examples in there. So you would take that one. If that was thank you for your order, if that was it, copy that. And there, that's all you put in there. You do not have to put full URLs if you're using your WordPress system. Download page is just the same, whatever it's called, download page. Again, you've got some actual examples right here. Sample download page, sample thank you page. And that is really all that you need to put in there. You can take this and copy it directly in. What I would actually do, what I prefer to do is, you know, you can copy it like it is here, but that's going to be, a lot of times it doesn't work out. What I actually like to do is I'll take that and I'll open it with my text editor. I use TED Notepad. You can use Notepad. And what I'll do is I will copy this information and paste it right into the actual page. I'll give you an example here. A thank you page. And you got to, here's actual, would be hidden if you actually copied all of it. Those tags hide this part of it. But the example is what this is extra stuff that you can put on the page. You can actually format you a page, build it with your HTML editor, and use these extra tags here, okay? So, notice that's not going to work right there. That doesn't belong in there. Get that out before we have problems there. So what we'll do is we'll take that above this information here, and I'm going to do a Control-C and copy. Again, this is a sample thank you page. I'm going to leave it at default. And what I'll do is on my thank you page, this is not the download, just giving you an example here. I don't want visual, I want to go to my HTML tags, okay? Tab, I should say. Get rid of that. Doing a Control-V and I pasted it in. Make sure you're on your HTML tag, not visual. There's visual, there's HTML. If you actually will hang with your HTML tag, it'll come out better for you, okay? You notice that good old WordPress throws all them extra spaces in there. Don't ask me why. It's just good old WordPress. And then do an update, of course. And that's all there is to it. Now, your download page, there is no difference in the download page. If you called it download page, yeah, and built it using the actual, remember we've got a sample download page also. Use the same method, take your text editor and copy it over into your download page that you built, just like I did on the thank you page. And there's no difference. On your download link, there's more information for the more advanced users in the actual PDF file, but really, if you've set it up like I've told you to already, that is really all you need to do, okay? Secure, put your colon there, and whatever your file name is. If you named it remember, I did a capital, make sure if yours is capital, make sure you actually make it capital. Okay, and that will be the actual name of the file right here that is in your download directory that you created in your WP content. Those have to match up exactly. If that was a capital Y and a small p, that's exactly what it would have to be in the folder. Put your price. Of course, your currency. Now you can change this if you like. You'll notice that there's tags are in here. I'd leave it just like it is. Of course, you can put your company name or whatever right there, your name company. But that's a good simple one. Once you do that, you add your product. And that's it. Okay. Now, if you were actually going to use a page, or you wanted to put a sales button on a page outside of the WordPress system, you can go over here to button and get your code for your PayPal button. All right. That's only if you're selling it from another place outside of your WordPress system. And that means that, another sales page or whatever, you could put a buy now button on there and use this to process orders. The sales page does not have to be on WordPress. Okay, with that said, I do want to show you one more thing here, and this would be for your actual sales page that you set up. If it's on the WordPress system, remember I just showed you about that button, if it's on a sales page outside of your WordPress install. Okay, if it's inside your WordPress install, this is the actual code that you need to use. Okay, it will be just like, it's actually laid out in the PDF file. You can copy it from there if you would like. But that is, you got your bracket there, DPD-button bracket. And then this is the actual product name that we put in there. If it was actually your product, you would take this right there, okay? And it goes, make sure you keep it in between the brackets, your product. Okay? And that's all you need to do to actually put your order button on there, your PayPal order button. Unfortunately, at this time, you cannot customize the button. We're looking at doing that later on an upgrade that you'll get for free. With no promises there at all, but this pulls in your actual PayPal order button. You put your bracket, make sure you put your /, which is closing it, DPD-button, and another bracket there. And that will actually make your PayPal button appear. All right, read over the PDF. It gives you a lot more detailed information, but I wanted to make the video for you so you can make it get started quick there and get your product started up. Man, I'm tongue-tied today. Sorry about that. So there you go, and appreciate you watching, and have a great day.